Oh, it's a party. It's a party on the bird feeder. Look. Let me move away from that glare. Wow, look at them. It's a party on the bird feeder. Welcome to my vlog of birds, wildlife. It's a party on this one. They're having a meeting down there on the ground. They're having a meeting amongst the doves. And here is just fun time, enjoy time, time to eat. They even drink the water I put in a little cup right there. See, they like the water. They like the peanuts. They're having a bird meeting on the ground. They're throwing the leaves about, looking for the insects. And here, it's just feeding time. He told the other one, you eat on your side, now eat on my side. And we all eat. Oh, we have robins. There's a robin right there at the door, at the window. Let's see, can I back up? There he is. Hello, Miss Robin. Welcome. Karibu. Shikamo. Where are you? There you are. I'm trying not to get the curtain. They lay a whole lot of little blue eggs. I found quite a few eggs last summer. I wasn't sure if they were bird eggs or snake eggs, so I took them to the vet and he put them under this light, and sure enough, they were little birds, robins. He kept them in an incubator. They hatched. He fed them, and he said he put them in a cage and left them outside because they were wild. And after about 3 3 to 4 weeks, he said he left the door open. And the next day, they were gone. They just flew away. When birds are wild, we have to leave them and let them be. Even though I would like to bring some home with me, keep them in the house, but they're wild. This is their nature. This is Mother Earth. And I'm trying to keep that steam out of the filming on the window. It's steam. I wiped it off, but it comes back every time. It's like moisture on the window. But I just want to do another vlog of my birds in the wild, in the backyard. And boy, are they having a time. Is the meeting over on the ground? The meeting is over on the ground. They're all gone. The meeting is over. They're still having feeding time on the pole. They're still doing feeding time. Yep, the meeting on the ground is over. And they're just flying around. Yeah. Those are my neighbors, my friends. They keep me company every day. I just sit here in the window and I watch them. I bird watch. Well, there's another meeting going on the ground. They're not done yet. Yeah, wow, look at them. So many of them. They're doves. Yes, they are. They're doves. They're my friends. They are my neighbors. Oh, I love them. And I feed them. And you know, Miss Ruby put some bird feeder out there, some seeds in the bird feeders. This is Miss Ruby's _ exploring life. And I'm exploring. I feed them every winter. I would feed them during the summer, but snakes come. So I don't feed them during the summer. I don't put it in the bird feeder, but I still throw the seeds out. Oh, there they go. And that is the end of my little vlog. Ciao, everybody. Thanks for watching.